Pangasinan is a land of awe-inspiring beaches, dynamic cultural heritage, and a vibrant tapestry of people. Clear skies, a 2-kilometer-long shoreline, fine white-like sand, and foamy waves.
Pangmasa talaga ito. Subukan nyo ho ang dumayo rito sa amin.
The oyster farming industry continues to flourish as more residents venture in. Their knowledge in rope making has been passed down from generation to generation. Its legacy is continuously woven in every twist and turn of the rope. It is believed that the bell is still hidden in the waters of Barangay Baldog. This tale lives on through its people.
Kaya yung kampana, inilipat nila dito.
Forget the hustle and bustle of life. Make time, slow down, and reconnect with yourself and loved ones. I am your travel wanderer, Denise. Join me in celebrating diversity dito lang sa Ganda mo, Pangasinan!